How to calculate personal injury claim value. What damages matter? Imagine trying to put a price tag on pain, lost time, and the impact an injury has on your life. Figuring out what your injury claim is worth can seem complicated, but it's really about adding up the damages you've suffered. When someone gets hurt, they can be compensated for two main types of damages. The first is economic damages, which are clear and measurable costs. These include medical bills for hospital stays, doctor visits, surgeries, medications, physical therapy, and any future medical care you might need. If you missed work because of the injury, you can include lost wages in your damages. If the injury affects your ability to earn money in the future or causes a permanent disability, those are also part of economic damages. Plus, if your property, like a vehicle, was damaged, the repair or replacement costs count too. The second type is non-economic damages, which cover the less tangible effects of an injury. These include pain and suffering, which is the physical pain and emotional distress caused by the injury. Emotional distress can be anxiety or depression resulting from the incident. If you can no longer enjoy hobbies or activities you once loved, that is also considered. Disfigurement or permanent disability, like scars or loss of bodily functions, are included as well. To figure out the total claim value, you combine economic damages with an estimate of non-economic damages. There are two common ways to estimate non-economic damages. The first is the multiplier method. You add up your medical expenses and lost wages, then multiply that total by a number usually between 1.5 and 5. The severity of the injury and how long recovery takes influence this number. For example, if your medical bills and lost wages total $10,000 and your multiplier is 3, your pain and suffering damages are $30,000. The total claim amount is then the sum of economic damages plus this pain and suffering estimate. The second method is the per diem approach. You assign a daily dollar value to your pain and suffering, say $100 per day, and multiply that by the number of days you expect to experience pain. If you expect to suffer for a year, that's 365 days, which totals $36,500. Other factors can influence your claim's value. If you are partly at fault for the accident, your compensation might be reduced proportionally. If your injury causes long-term effects, future medical costs and lost earnings can be included. Keeping detailed records of all medical bills, receipts, and income loss is essential to support your claim. Sometimes experts like medical professionals or vocational specialists are involved to estimate future damages or disability levels. To sum up, calculating your personal injury claim involves adding up all your economic damages and then estimating non-economic damages using methods like the multiplier or per diem approach. The final amount depends on how serious your injury is, how long it lasts, how it affects your ability to work and enjoy life, and legal factors like fault. Knowing these steps can help you understand what your injury is truly worth and guide you through the process of seeking fair compensation.